Hey y'all, my name is Jasmine Harris and I am the co-founder of 1212 and a licensed cosmetologist. Today I'm going to be walking you through the process of our detox treatment on a client that has color treated hair. Now, with our products, they are safe for chemically treated hair. It doesn't harm the hair, it doesn't cause any breakage. What it does do is detox the hair from old product buildup, clean the hair, and help it to retain moisture. So what I'm doing now is applying the mud to her drenched wet hair. Remember, you always want to use warm water on natural hair. Once I'm done applying the mud, I let it sit for a few minutes until it dries. And depending on the porosity of hair, it might take a little longer than others. But I'll just let it sit until it dries, just like this. Now I'm removing the mud mask with warm water. I make sure that I'm thoroughly removing it because I do not want her hair to be weighed down. Even though the shampoo is going to help cleanse her hair, I definitely want to take the time out to remove a bulk of the mud mask. So it was in this moment I felt confident that the mud was removed off her hair. So now I'm proceeding with the 1212 shampoo, making sure that I saturate it in the middle, the back, the sides, everywhere, because those areas can get missed. After thoroughly shampooing, I move on to our 1212 conditioner, and I make sure that I thoroughly saturate her hair with the conditioner, using my paddle brush to detangle from the ends all the way up to the root. And y'all see how her hair is popping back? That means her hair is moisturized, okay? That's elasticity right there. Her curls is popping right back. So yes, and then I let the hair sit with steam so it can get maximum amount of moisture. Right here, I'm applying the hair mist, which is the heat protectant, before I put any hot tools to her hair. The hair mist is also great for detangling. As you can see, that blow dryer is gliding against her natural hair. It's not yanking her head back. You know, I'm not struggling to blow dry, and it's blow drying really fast, as you can see. Okay, so I'm finally coming to it, and now we sorting out her part, how the hair is going to lay. Then y'all already know the silk press is next. We got to clean up those ends, make sure that she can retain some length. And I say retain length because if you're not cleaning up those ends, when breakage starts to happen at the ends, it rises up to the root. Is no other way around it. So If you keep your ends clean, you will be able to retain length. You're not always going to need to cut an inch off. All you have to do is just get your ends dusted every few weeks. And this is the outcome. Lightweight, shiny. It just looks so vibrant. You know, that's how hair is supposed to look. It should be bouncing and behaving. But thank you so much, y'all, for listening and watching. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the section below, and I'll answer them as soon as I can.